Hi guys, in this video I will give you a tour of my minimalist inspired bedroom. So when you first walk into the room, on your right I have a lamp, which if you look close I also use it as a key holder just because it's really convenient. It's right next to the door, so I just place my keys on it. And right next to that I have a fake plant that I decorated with fairy lights, and it makes it look really pretty, especially at night. Right next to that I have the infamous IKEA rack, which I call my grab and go rack, and essentially all the items on the rack should be easy to grab, match with something in my closet, and go out of the door. And above the rack I have my display hats. I really love hats, and in between that I have this decorative love light, and essentially it's supposed to remind me to love others, love God, love myself every day if I do look at it. Alright, so moving on to this corner wall. First I have a display. Okay, first I have a display of some of my nail polishes, and as you can see I am a pretty big fan of nail polishes. I just love me a great color, a great brush. Oh my goodness, don't get me started. But I still need to get rid and declutter some of them. Some are dried, some are old, some are not being used, so I'll get to that eventually. And right next to that I have a wall frame, picture frame that I got from Walmart, and it just looks so peaceful. It's a beach with white sand and palm trees, and it just I just like when I sit at my desk and I see it. It just looks nice to me. And hanging from there I have some pearls that are pretty random, and also a badge from this amazing life-changing Christian event that I went to in the beginning of this year. So right underneath all of that I have my multi-purpose desk, which is where I get a lot of things done. I am currently in grad school, so this is where I sit and complete most of my assignments. And it's also part vanity. As you can see I have some makeup, a vanity mirror, so this is where I sit sometimes and put on some makeup and get cute. So moving on to the other side of the room, first we have my favorite place to be, which is my bed. It's a queen size bed and I love it. But as you can see I don't have a headboard. I had one, but when I did my remover I got rid of it and never bothered to get another one. And right above my bed I have a wall frame, which, surprise, says love. And attached to it I have some pictures of family and friends, and right next to it in the corner I have some fairy lights, which looks really nice at night. And finally, underneath my bed is where I keep storage for extra shoes and seasonal clothing. Alright, so moving on to the other side of my bed. First I have my closet, and starting from the top I have basically all my bags, from makeup bags, purses, wallets, backpacks, and on the other side I have some casual hats. And right underneath are my hanging clothes, from professional to casual. I believe last time I counted them when I decluttered I had a total of 100 hanging clothes, but then I did go shopping, so that might be like 105 now. And finally underneath are the rest of my shoes. Lastly, right next to the closet, I have this storage cube organizer that I got from Target, and that's basically where I store everything else from like my folded clothes, gym clothes, and undergarments. And in one of the cubes, I have these boxes that looks like decor, but they are actually storage. And I have my daily vitamins in one, and the other I just have some more nail stuff, some extra plugs, etc. Right at the top on the right, I have some body spray, some fragrances, some smelling good stuff basically. Finally, over the counter and on the wall, I have some decor. Some of them are DIY, just things that I thought would bring everything together. So that is pretty much it for my minimalist inspired room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also comment down below what is your favorite part of your room. For me, it's my bed. I love my bed. I'm currently on my bed recording this voiceover. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Bye. Ciao. Au revoir.